So I have seen these adorable scarf necklaces floating all over the internet, and I've been wanting to make my own, and I just did, and I would love to show you how to do it. My name's Elizabeth and I'm with Country Peony, and Country Peony is a DIY and craft blog where I focus on simple and fun and colorful whimsical crafts and spaces. Okay, so let's get started. So the tools that I got were, I got this adorable silk scarf from Amazon. It's just a thin scarf, and then I think you can use a silk scarf that you already have if you roll it up. And then I also picked up some beautiful charms from Michael's. These are some beautiful enamel charms. I loved the colors on these. And then hearts. Hearts have my heart. I've got hearts all over. And so I thought that'd be really cute. And then I just got this simple jump ring set on Amazon. And then it came with this really fancy little tool. Okay, and then lastly, I love this project because you can use items that you already have. If you have a scarf at home, you can cut it up or you can roll it up, and then you can even use charms. So this is a charm that I got from my mom when I think I was 16. And so honestly, I don't have a good chain for it, so I thought we could try it with this. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention is this doll needle. I think this is gonna be pretty crucial for today's process because it's gonna help me actually string the charms onto the scarf. Okay, so before you get started, you gather all your charms together and you kind of decide what you want to do. I'm looking for high impact, no surprise there, but really you can just do one charm, you can do a couple of charms, so let's see, it's really up to you. The first step is you're gonna take this doll needle and you're going to thread it through, and I'm thinking I'm gonna add the jump rings first and then I'm attach the charms to those jump rings, okay? So I got this kit off Amazon and I'm gonna do the largest jump ring, and I'm just going to thread it through like so and then pull it like so, and that way, and then I'm gonna take this off so you can see, but that way it's just in the center, and then you can just attach your charm directly to that. So for the center, I'm gonna use this beautiful charm that I got when I was just a teen, and I'm going to attach a jump ring to that so that it sits nice, and you can actually see it, it sits nice and flat, okay? And so what I'm gonna do then is I'm going to take this, attach it to it, make sure I close it all the way, okay, and I think that's gonna work, nice and tight. So then look at that, look how pretty that is. That is so, so cute. Oh my goodness. So you can stop here, or you can keep going. So let's keep going. So the next step is I've seen where they knot it. So first I'm gonna kind of see where the center is, and I think that will work. And then I'm just gonna loosely knot it. And the beauty with this project is that you can change your charms out if you want. Just don't knot it too hard. So just kind of a really loose knot so that you can take it out. And then we're gonna do the other side. So, and I think the purpose of the knot is to add some fun texture, but also to keep your beautiful charm intact. So cute. Okay, again, you could just stop here and tie it, but like I said, I just gotta keep going. So okay, so this is where it gets really fun because you get to add some fun charms. So I got both of these really cute charms from Michael's, and I think I was originally gonna go with these enamel because I love enamel charms, but hearts have my heart, and so I think I'm gonna add these to it. So let me do that. Now I have to pick what colors. And you know I love pink, so we'll go with the pink. And also I can play off of this really pretty minty color that's in the scarf, so we'll go with that. And I think that's it. I'm gonna add 4 hearts, so let me do that. Okay, I'm almost done and it is looking so, so cute. I love it so, so much. And I wanted to show you real quick, the beauty about using the jump rings for this is because then if you don't really want that charm on there anymore, all you have to do is take off that charm and then you can attach a new one. So I wasn't really feeling the yellow, even though I love yellow. It's such a bright and fun color. I wanted to do the red because there's a lot of red in the scarf. And so I'm going to then just replace it like so. How cool is that? Okay, so I'm gonna replace it, make sure I close it so that it doesn't come out. And then you have like the cutest scarf necklace, and I wanna make more. They're so, so cute. Okay, what do you think? Look how cute that is. Okay, so let me put it on so we can officially see what it looks like. Okay, I wanted to come over here in the light because I wanted to show you. I think it's so, so beautiful. I would love to know what you think. I hope this inspires you to dig through your scarf drawer or dig through your charms or visit your local craft store and just have a little bit of fun because that's what it's all about. I'm definitely going to be making more of these. It was so much fun. It's the perfect summer craft. Thank you so much for following along today. I hope you have a great rest of your day.